So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on Hack's EVO 8. So what we're going to be installing today, or trying to install, is this Varis Diffuser for the EVO 8. Oh, it must be nice, huh?
Yeah, it's I bought it, cost 5k.
5k?
Yeah.
No, this is a Varis style, bro.
It's not even legit Varis.
Yeah, you know what's pretty cool? Like I said, we're gonna try and install it because yeah, it came with no instructions, but it came with brackets and no bolts.
Yeah, no bolts. They're like, that shit cooked, bro.
Yeah, so we're gonna go off the brackets. We have a few photos, so we're gonna go through that. Yeah, let's quickly unwrap this and show you guys. All right, so here it is, the diffuser. Oof, carbon fiber as well. It's gonna look actually 100 times way better. Oof, what do you guys reckon? Damn, not bad at all, huh? Oof, got the fins as well. Let's go. Alright guys, we just got to Bunnings, aka Home Depot. We're gonna buy some brackets. You got the mock-up brackets?
Yeah, we got the good shit. We got the brackets, we got the bolts. These ain't the right sizes, but
yep,
we just gotta, you know.
Yeah, so like I said, the kit was a bit cooked. It came with brackets, no instructions. We got a photo to go off it, and we're just gonna use that photo, and hopefully it goes well. Alright, so how long have we been here?
We've been here a good 5 minutes.
So we ran into a few problems. I don't know if it's us or if it's a bolt. So we grabbed a few random ones. We had a test, and then we tried to convert it, and it wouldn't work. So now
we need the washers. Zinc plate? Is that a washer?
Yes sir. Just grab a whole bunch. There's a nut. Oi, you don't even know what you're looking at.
Yeah, 514.
Yeah. Oi, is that your mate? Is that your mate?
Bro.
Alright, so we just got back from Bunnings. We got some M8 bolts, and here it is. So this is the brackets that actually came with the diffuser. So you can see it's like 2 big brackets and the rest are small. Alright, so the brackets right here, if you come down right here, this is the bolt, or the hole I was talking about before. It goes somewhere like that, flat part at the bottom, the bolt goes in, and then this goes onto the diffuser. And then the other one, same thing. It goes in like this. You take off this bolt from the OEM hanger, put that in, and then put the bolt back in, and same method, this goes on the diffuser. So what's going on? Why you got sunny?
Guys, so it's my safety glasses.
Yep.
So we ran into a problem. This part here hits the exhaust. We're gonna cut about here off into that lip here, if you can see.
Yep. So the diffuser goes on, and I don't know if you guys can come down and see the exhaust right there where I'm pointing to. Actually hits that part there. So we're gonna cut a slit, and hopefully it's enough to clear it. And also, here's how the brackets look before. How I said before, we mount it on right there, and this one with the hanger as well, and then the diffuser sits at the bottom like that. But yeah, this video is going to be a bit on and off because we're still learning how to install this. We tried to find some videos, and we couldn't really find any videos on how to install the Varis or Varis style diffuser. So hopefully, yeah, we can accomplish this. Let's go.
Alright guys, as you can see, Hack does not work on his own car. This guy's been on the same car for like 10 minutes.
Yep. So if you know, you know. This is a rare occasion of him working on his own car.
Help, bro?
Nah, I'm good.
Yeah,
well, like
look at
my
him.
car's a bit off, but
His demonstration, he was like, oh easy, Jew. But I didn't realize he's gonna be like this.
I think it's the sun is make it darker. I can't see.
Can't see, yeah?
My name's Man Kong, and I'm here to fuck shit up.
Yo guys, it's flexing. Yo!
Can I get another plate?
Yo guys, it's flexing here. This is my EVO 8. Oof, just finished a bicep day. Finish pool day. Fuck. We're gonna be installing on my EVO 8. This diffuser. Wait, what's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong?
Smells like shit, bro.
Oh, did you palm?
Yeah. Yo, what the f is this?
Yo! Oh, who's been cutting that? Look at that, like. Alright, so we just put in the middle brackets. It's all fine now, all lines up in the middle. And now we're gonna do the sides first. So Hack wants to run these original spats he already had. So what we're gonna be doing is tucking this diffuser in between the spats, and then we're gonna drill it straight up, and hopefully the original spat bolts can hold the diffuser on the side as well, yeah?
Yep.
Do that side, and then hopefully we can find a spot for the brackets in the middle. Alright, so like we said, this is like a style diffuser, and if you come up close right here, you know, they didn't even properly seal the carbon fiber, so you can still see it has the white line. So what are we going to be doing?
Oh, trusty Sharpie.
Trust the Sharpie. Let's go.
And I failed in primary school for my coloring skills.
Yeah, look at that. 100 times way better. Here's the results. Don't ever doubt the Sharpie. On the left right there, look, is where we put the Sharpie, and on the right, can you see it? The white fiberglass or carbon fiber. Before, after. Alright, so fast forwarding 1 day later, and we have now finished installing the Varis Diffuser onto Hack's EVO 8. And I gotta say, it's looking 100 times way better, and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's turn this camera around and show you guys the results. Alright, so here it is from the back. What do you guys reckon? I love it because it's not too aggressive, but it's subtle at the same time, yeah? Like, it doesn't, like, you know, it's not in your face, like, yeah, full track spec.
Yeah. It's like perfect.
Yeah, but it's perfect, like subtle. Like, you know it's there, but it doesn't stand out too much. That's what we like. Alright, so I really hope you guys can see with the lighting here. You know, it's a bit too overexposed, but I like how the diffuser complements Hack's, you know, existing spats they already had. Carbon on carbon. Check that out, and oof, the car is already looking 100 times way better. So I'll try and explain to you guys how we actually installed this diffuser. So if you come from the inside, like we showed you guys before, we had the two brackets. As you guys can see right there, we had the two brackets there, so that held in the middle of the diffuser. And we were lucky enough that Hack had existing spats, so the diffuser actually flared up to the bumper here. So we just used this spat holes, and we drilled it and bolted everything back in. So the diffuser is actually tucked in between the bumper and the spat, so that holds on pretty well. And in the middle, we kind of changed up the design. You're meant to have brackets where the fins are and holding the diffuser, but yeah, we kind of, you know, was running out of time, so we just full sent it, one bolt straight in and one nut at the back as well. So yeah, you're meant to have brackets, but it is what it is. It's still holding on right now. It still looks pretty decent. All we're gonna do is change these to, like, you know, more subtle black bolts, and you know, it will be 100 times way better. Wow, check out this TikTok guy. Look at him. Damn, is that the shot? Is that the shot?
Money shot.
Money shot. He's gonna run around the whole car.